Paul has a big challenge in this August sham elections. He doesn't want you to see this. He wants you to believe Rwandan want him. He has to show the international community that every Rwandan loves him. But he has been ruling Rwanda with an iron fist for over 23 years.
Many of these people have complained that they're not able to contact their relatives. We've even met some children as young as 14 who said they asked to speak to their parents and the authorities refused.
That's why he's extremely keen on showing this North Korean style of pictures. Behind the scene, the picture is totally different. People are forced to attend rallies. Critics, journalists are killed, jailed or exiled. Schools, shops, markets, churches, offices and farmers are forced to close. People are gathered and shipped from everywhere to his rallies, or they left on their own when the show is over. For his security reasons, people have to wait for him the whole day. These people are mostly Hutu and constitute 85% of 11 million Rwandan population. They are oppressed and discriminated and despised by the Tutsi elite. Paul fears them. He killed over 2 million of them in Rwanda and Congo.
The UN report concluded the apparent systematic and widespread attacks on Hutu civilians, if proven, could be characterized as genocide. Paul Kagame vehemently denied it.
Its kangaroo court sentenced over 1.3 million of them and no single Tutsi.
Kagame may have banned ethnic identity, but the Tutsi minority dominates his government. All power rests in his hands.
But this time is different. Paul needs these Hutus in his pictures. They are his regime trophies. They know it, he knows. For now, every Rwandan play the game. It's just a show.